You just upgraded to a shiny new 4K TV, right? But now, every time you watch something, people's faces look off, too sharp, too fake, almost like they're wax figures in a museum. Don't panic, your TV isn't broken. In fact, you're not alone. This is one of the most common complaints with modern TVs. Let's get one thing straight. 4K isn't the problem. True 4K is supposed to make faces look more realistic, not worse. So what's going on? Modern TVs do a lot behind the scenes. They're not just displaying images, they're manipulating them. By default, most TVs crank up artificial sharpness, thinking it'll make things look crisper, but that just adds harsh, unnatural edges to skin. Noise reduction? It smears out fine details, so faces end up looking waxy. Motion smoothing changes how faces move, making everything look weirdly artificial. And then there's upscaling, the TV's best guess at missing details, which can make things look even stranger. Each of these settings sounds helpful on paper, but when you stack them together, they totally distort how faces are supposed to look. And here's the thing. Your brain is wired to spot faces. Even tiny distortions jump out immediately, way more than they do on a landscape or a car chase. Plus, a lot of 4K streaming isn't really pure 4K, it's compressed. Lower bitrate means less real detail, so your TV tries to fix it by adding even more processing. The result? Grainy skin, over-textured faces, or people who look like they're made of plastic. Alright, here's how to actually fix it. Grab your remote and go into your TV's picture settings. Set sharpness down to 0, maybe 10, but not higher. Turn off motion smoothing. It's called Auto Motion Plus, True Motion, or Motion Flow depending on your TV. Turn off noise reduction, and switch to Movie, Cinema, or Filmmaker mode. These are the settings professional calibrators use, because they get rid of all the fake processing. If faces still look grainy, try bumping up your streaming quality or bitrate. Once you do this, faces should look natural, balanced, and finally, like real people. And you'll wonder how you ever watch TV any other way. 4K isn't making faces look weird, your TV settings are. Fix those first, then let's talk about whether you're actually getting real 4K. That's a whole different story. I already made that video. Go watch it next.